So yawning is a normal reflex that our brain induces to wake us up and make us more alert. Feeling tired? Just go ahead and yawn. If we are stressed or we do not sleep properly or nervous about something, it raises our brain temperature, and yawning cools it down by supplying good amount of oxygen. Yawning generally occurs before and during any stressful situation. Even athletes purposely yawn to promote relaxation and better cognitive functioning. So next time if you're feeling tired, just go ahead and yawn.